Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to morEwish cuisine. As you already know from a title that today I am making banoffee pie with a twist with a little bit of chocolate on it. Banoffee is a combination of two words, banana and toffee, and it's a caramelized version of banana cream pie where we use delicious layer of creamy smooth toffee, dulce de leche. Fancy! Now, who doesn't like the combination of buttery, crisp shortbread crust, toffee, slices of sweet bananas, all covered with chocolate ganache and loads of whipped cream? So let's go and see how I'm making today my chocolate banoffee pie. So things we need for this dessert will be 1 graham cracker pie crust, the ready-made one, or you can use graham cracker crumb as well. Or if you want to give it a more chocolatey touch, you can use this. I found this Oreo chocolate pie crust, or you can again make this crust at home. But today I'm using this ready-made one. Then I have one dulce de leche which I made at home with a can of condensed milk, and I'll tell you in a bit how you do that. Then I'll be using some bananas, semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'll be using heavy whipping cream to make this ganache, and for topping I'll be using a thawed whipped topping. Now for the toffee filling, first we have to caramelize the sweetened condensed milk, and for that remove the label from the can and boil some water. Then place the can in the pot. Make sure the water is covering the can at all the time and boil this for 4 hours for firmer filling. Then very carefully remove the can with tongs and let this cool completely. I prefer to do this process a night before, but I saw it online and usually people give it like an hour, but to be on a safer side, just do it a night before and let it cool completely. Now for our homemade graham cracker pie crust, just grease the 9-inch pie plate, mix graham cracker crumbs with softened butter, and then press this mixture into your pie plate with the help of your hand. Try to make a wall, a little high wall, like an inch, and then bake this mixture for 5 to 8 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, let's make our chocolate ganache using a double boiler method. I added my semi-sweet chocolate with heavy whipping cream and let the chocolate and cream mix together and cook this mixture until you get a smooth chocolatey creamy mixture. Just put it on the side and let it cool down a little bit. Once both the pie crust and your toffee filling are cooled, just cut the bananas into pennies. Then start arranging your bananas onto your cooled pie crust. Then pour your cooled toffee filling on top of your bananas, and then with the help of a spatula with a very light hand, spread your toffee filling on top of your bananas. It's gonna be a little tricky because the toffee filling is a little firm, so you have to be careful so bananas doesn't leave their space, but just spread it until all the bananas are covered. Then pour your prepared ganache on top of your toffee filling, and then again with the help of spatula with a very light hand, just spread it all over and make sure all the toffee filling is covered with your chocolate ganache. Then fill your pastry bag with the whipped cream and then decorate as desired. So here's my chocolate banoffee pie ready for my guests. As they call it, meaty Eid. I have been making lately a lot of desserts, and I made this banoffee pie just after Eid for my for a party when my cousin visited us from another state, and everybody including kids thoroughly enjoyed it. And if you like it and try this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any other recipe.